Good morning, country people. Them we salute all man. Where you don't find a change, you don't, because today now Friday. Those who do not be succeed forget their program for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Friday for morning time. They could get them now for 10 o'clock. So she don't quiet because talk a day. For live, they talk say so live now lucky. And you know video she don't want place. Say me lucky can meet up you. Now when you don't give your life for Christ, where they make us say God, it will start to follow you. And then they push you, me you do something. So that me pass for back now, and then push you, me you go before. When you see any ashawo with Bible, where they look road for church, me you know say they so sick, you don't catch you, or sometimes you don't take some money where you need see me back and wait, you know they come out. We go into now for waiting in main news when I know say Friday it ever been a day where we must get one countryman, and countryman it don't feel can stand. They will get forbidden two. But one chief where it come up for side for Northwest Cameroon, and for that side for Bamungo, it will get forbidden with we, but we never succeed. Foresee for Touré house. Anyhow way there we go also the follow chief. And I don't say for bring chief for inside Touré house, not an easy thing. You get for settle with all chinda them when they don't accept before a chief if he come out for palace and then reach for Touré house. So say we could talk palava Olembe where what happen na train it be match some person so take it at that point. Now boy will come up for side from South land. That means say Banso boy where train it last a kill him for side for Olembe, but some people that they talk to this all. They train, it never touch you, but they see a baby wound for your head. Meanwhile, woman, they see one side way, train, it don't clap on top. So this thing, it bring trouble, plenty. We could talk palava waiting, we could talk palava this one. Now, land, where it the defined term for inside country, and we'll talk to palava this one. Now, accident for side for OEC. So now this thing will enter for inside in the proper. But for now, person where they will be for inside Touré house. Yes, yourself na title that we will know you fine, and person where when I say when I don't overcry, he say this so you don't stay when I never see. Tanto Tanda, come good for Touré house.
Thank you, General Moko, for how me I be for Touré house again today. Before one for the start Touré General Moko, a fine for the worker. Where the worker you do sitting them. Fine for the worker, where the worker you do sitting them and you do learn. Because I want to talk so why a worker go reach for Oko sometime, someday, where you do something for daytime for broad daylight, so the worker will cho for back where you not find. That kind of them you find. When you see your brother they do something, either a bad thing or a good thing, tell you for corner. We wanna fix them. Not be plabber, but take and go talk about this side. Take and go talk about this side. That kind of thing is not fine. We will try for the land. We will try for the behave very maturely like people them. And the talk now for my brother them way they did for a lack Oko.
Yes. Tanda. Yes, we will still go for inside machine. Go carry that palava for a lack Oko because top them don't overpass on top and clarification it don't come. You see them no? Yeah, because people they don't go see Dio. They talk say no to the people and they don't talk say Dio be one take money for people them and then people they not be accept for will give money before they lock and win a lie. When I don't hear lock onto people. But me we start for chapter 1, we could reach for that one. Now palava this one we trend. It don't kill one person, one for side for Olembe. Now quarter we dey for inside the only. It not be easy as country people then when I see them. But top it don't go conny way. They say this so. It they say they don't kill this Banso boy. Where every day with his lover for side for Olembe. Some people then say no. Now a trend it don't kill him. But when I know say this for inside Cameroon, when train a kill person, na family, it could make again big losses. As when I see population come up for that side, there was one na say police for that side, it can't hold camera for LTM, for go with them, quarter boy them, then come out. If they no be come out, sometime policeman, if they come out, go with camera. Now we will ask question whether this so. Police again on work for work, camera again on work for work, but why some person in the one block another person? If camera film person, where if they don't kill them, where accident not happen, they can't film them. Now some problem, or now something where it will not be need for be. So now question that we will ask them. Tanto Tanda, you yourself, you return for inside town and for Cameroon. When train, it don't kill person, and then camera can film and policeman, he get right for catch camera.
General Moko, thank you. Now something that we get for the lane. We get for the lane every day. Police people, you get for no say. You get your own work where you work. You get for a journalist, you get your own work where you work. Cameraman, you get your own work where you work. Me policeman no say if a cameraman not there for some place, we not ever know what will happen. Play the thing and then we go to hide and we not find. So if find me police people them, me when I see camera, when I leave the camera for the camera get on work and the company don't even work back work against una. The camera must support what you wanna do. Because even when I there for them, when I come for them, I can't do fine work. Leave camera to me, make it on news. Most people they see them. Sometimes they want be so where the person where they don't kill them. Where family they for some side, they don't even know them. They don't even know and say that will don't happen. But through that camera, through that news where it go pass, the family now can know. So put these people there with the big one now. When I leave journalism, when I leave camera people, they do their work. It happen for all places. It happen of all places. And then I won't come again for talk again about the accident for the train road. Sometime at the sea, I'm like saying no accident for train road because two people they not go there for inside train road. What are they be doing now with you? What are they be doing now with you? Two people they go there for inside train road until train can start come with noise. Until train can start to come with noise, they need to hear how a train they come. Then train can't kill them. But we can start that thing will be now something will be technical. It be technical. I say that's people and they so when they not accuse a train as me at the same. When they not accuse train, that thing they so now different thing will happen. They kill the people that are killer as me have to talk. They kill people that are kill them as me have to talk. Because if na train pass, train go scatter you, finish you and finish all. But you know, you see the way the kind of way they say the man picking the way you know even get wound. So when they say again only small wound for back head. So when they say the woman the way they be cut or it two leg them. So when they say no, they never cut it two leg them. So nothing way they do clinical investigation. They go say and say train never see that people them.
Yes, and when I know say this so for insight Yaoundé insecurity plenty. If it be sometimes active by them, they don't do this bad work. Now we come on now we talk Palava this one for Kulu. Yes, one way na Palava land for inside Yaoundé. Where to be happen, Mami e one die, e get land 46 hectares. I way it talks to this so me picking them, they remain divided. Me any man a tie on house for you on a place. So too, they decide now, since they know book plenty, they decide for carry 46 hectares. They start the selling for people them. People them too, they buy them, they build a house as when they see them. So they talk to this so they don't try way for call their brother them. Me then go even for quarter head for say me then call even a 1 meter give them. Me them tie their own house on top the 1 meter. They buy them, they no one for come for a quarter head and they don't want for come for chief of village. Now one of the mami Pikinis, now chief this for the village where it talks to this so the two boy them they don't talk now billionaire and the worker will baby motor them. They don't even come for village again when they come for village now only for can sell land and then when they want sell land they not even seek opinion for the chief and where they make the paper it shows the chief he don't sign them. You know no place where they don't take his signature. So matter it is for court and they buy them. Then two they don't talk to this so they get caught for inside their own day for inside their pocket. Say this so no land you know they where they will give them for their brothers and sisters for that side. So the sister them and the brother them they back house now back them for sleep and meanwhile Mami Wanda a live plot plenty for all them 6. So what you get for talk for this matter? Grand cargo.
I tell you, I tell you, General Moko say it be something where it be terrible as I talk am because you know born picking them. Then some choose them come and say they be at the wise men them when they go decide for same the order for them they lost for nothing. It be very bad but you the village that they when they there for day when they can't say that plot they see them then too they contribute for inside. If they need contribute for inside when they get plot they put signboard for they say now family properties. We no fit buy am for one person way all the family no be. Now think how they begin for decide. They put signboard for other places. Talk say you with the buy, no say that place on the place. At least people they go fear before you go and buy that place. You must go see family person. Family people they must sit down together with chief before they sell that place. So for me, what you have advice, they already pass. They already sell and so people they don't already get their land certificate. Them even chief they talk about they bring someone they all sign. I want to be sign them. For me, I will feel the advice and say, as the claim say cut, now then get cut. Make chief with that family people make them go for up. God to judge them because you know if you take something you want or when I did for inside family. Make chief them hook up for up, take them for court as they talk say court and then get them. Then they will see whether the court not go favor the family or the court will favor them. Then we already see how way the Cameroon the rule.
And it be possible for inside countries say the fish also go win because for Cameroon when person they talk to them he say you know wait till they come on top. Did they ever talk to this so dog where you see lion stand they come on some grass. We will come on now. We talk about accident after we they will win. After we Cameroon will win the match for side for Côte d'Ivoire. It will be na Helene for side for OAC for inside Boya. Accident where Camion man be glad as the country don't win last it can jam moto them so take plenty people then they die and plenty they get caught for side for Boya so it not be easy for that side they say it is so now for OAC and after it come for side for Bondoma now so it jam they go so it not be easy now when they talk to this so Camion where they be talk to this so me they work for 12 and midnight now Camion they work here for 6 p.m 7 p.m 8 p.m and then after match we Cameroon be play Camion it be still there for outside and then they jubilate after they go kill people them can't reach now they talk to this so they only see a Camion they know they see the driver they know they see motor boy that means say they don't pass for under bed or they don't pass for window for come out now then go that we share morning time today man it be reach for that side for CM because for LTM we dey see am before we talk am so that you where you dey for outside you see am and then yeah Tanda how man fit carry a whole Camion because say he country don't win and then it run with the Camion careless so they go kill people them and then someone they for hospital.
I want to say General because some people them dey I don't know who side they carry their sense they put up. Jubilation where you go jubilation take Cameroon go begin jam people in there. And we kind of jubilation. That's a new jubilation for Cameroon. More with the tribe of the country will serve. When you don't go into your society, they talk say me you can't behave so not pass for back football. Not pass for back football. Whether the driver they say don't run going for some side. Don't run if they don't run going for some side, go to enjoy life. The knack is just say I don't achieve what you have been able to achieve. Make people then look out, make people they control their emotion. Make people they control their emotion. Even for Christmas Day, even for New Year Day, they want to see some person the carry motor run for road, say you don't see New Year. Now so New Year again with the same. Now so new football with the win. We win football the all time. Why we get for the behave together as time for the commodity keep people, commodity destroy people their properties. I beg, with the beg now say when you go enter house we enter for day. Remain you now only for that house. Not take and can't keep population there.
Okay. So Cameroon last they be play with Senegal and then Senegal it be show Cameroon Pepe. So the last fight some player then they way some still there for that side, someone not there for that club, some day for inside Cameroon. But plenty talk it did on top. Someone they say no now people then what they did for before where they don't manage the team fine. Some people they say no coach no be get for put on and for bank because there's some people they say coach be get for put na under for pole after someone they say no they not fit take person way na international goalkeeper can put D for bench so all that talk is there for Cameroon now but you see the way Cameroon and national team be play this competition African Nation Cup for side for Côte d'Ivoire you see say now the team where would ever get and what they call them Lions. Be
some type General Moko as they always talk up. Make people they know they pretend. Make people they know they pretend. This Cameroon team they so not be even I don't even want for the talk up self because I don't vex certain guys to want who me.
You vex for waiting
for that team. I don't know which side some go come with that kind of team. That team where they play ball not get the fighting spirit. We never talk say fighting spirit. Even you the song that will be the play ball. You be the see will be the ha. When you be the play for back for defense, you be the see and we be the ha. You don't see the kind of ball will be the play. You don't see I'm again for fee. That thing I know one for the talk I'm General Moko because it been a very big disgrace. You know even resemble Cameroon. It be like saying some division for inside Cameroon where they go select player them for inside team they go play for national team. Well, not fine.
But they don't be select the player where you like them.
I want to tell you say what to General Moko. We don't cry. We get the brother where the play ball fine. We get 5 calling where the play ball fine.
Even the
we don't talk and say put the when I need to get come back them for inside fee. Do you play ball? You never see any fine come back man or game. They give free kiss man kick a man. They take free go kill people that leg.
But they be called Jay Clinton.
Jay Clinton dey for them a player where they play. He play for attack. Very fine. He play for me. He play fine. But he go bang. I hear say go the same music for day. Whether they go for being a mission for day, we know.
But every same music they pay 50 million. What they for the inside?
They go work their money no. They don't leave people that swear. They don't work their money.
They see man way a last win. And they put Abubakar in some way.
Touch only one ball.
You see him?
Touch only one ball.
But if they be put some time for first half sometime.
Do you want to say? When you get player they don't already know a star player. Only their movement for inside field. If they don't even touch ball, they will give advantage for some other player than when they can score.
Yes.
Because as you for field, they for attack, at least 4 players and 3 players, then they go there with the for attacking. And when they want attacking, they get opening now for the other player them. Where they know say now that one and lelele. Once them then they score. Not only Abubakar will give a score because when they enter our field, they people they attacking from 2 hours. So when they want attacking from 2 hours, so they get advantage for the other player. They want the score. So I don't know why even that elect even been they even get put him in the.
Now one of the musicians, this
master.
One of the musicians.
Now person they say been 17 years and how many years?
Yeah, now where they select him for Victoria United for Limbe.
Yeah, they
say first time where they call for national team. But even for put him for fee for 2 minutes, they not put him. But he decided this so. As they don't receive money, better than say me work.
50 million. But they don't take 50 million. Yeah. Committee for team. They take their own 30 million, give you 20 million. You know, they're not saying. They say 2 weeks where you don't that 20 million. They play the money. When I leave that matter. Okay. They don't mafia with the pass.
Okay. Me we soon go now for side for Boya. And we happen now for side for Moliko. They say they so after they come up from Moliko, they go sote for University Junction. Now this palava where they say this on non-government where they enter for town and then they disturb the town and then last burn people that kako, burn people that moto. After they shoot someone them then die inside Moliko and where na head for town for side for Boya. You see say this so military ide for side for Boya, police ide. Now moja it don't come. They make video after way the people that don't make that work and then they disappear. Chief Moja for Boasa village, he don't come for this. Say this so if we catch this boy them, if we show them pepper. You don't know what it. Chief for Boasa village, alias Moja, he talks if you don't talk sometimes say this so motor way they work away boy them for day for catch any man will get gun way she don't for bush, say the motor don't spoil, me then contribute for give me try way for fix the motor, no man you know be there for contribute money. So now he talks to this so if you motor be there, if you run quick can't catch this boy them. So plenty of people that don't die, they never give you number, but the detail we say this so people that don't die for this attack. This attack it makes sense for inside Boya. They say this one because SDO, the new SDO for Fako where they install for side for Limbe, it be talks to this so me people that know the respect country Sunday for Monday. Say every Monday me any man go up on the shop. Say now why that way the body will come up for bush they bring this order.
Thank you, General Moko. Well, first of all, you use some words say on identify gunmen. It wonder me why I have to talk about some person who I don't identify him.
But now so the government they come and say or not government.
Why we feel to talk about person when you don't identify? You don't identify person, then you begin to talk about me. We know which way they pass for this country. We know say war day for Northwest and war day for Southwest. So what we say and so we know say na war. And you know the kind of person where you defend them. You know say they fight with this so person. You do away the common talk say make the name respect go stand. I beg, we don't over talk this thing and we don't over cry plenty. We just talk them. Say we don't over cry plenty. We pray that they don't die finish. Even the military they die, whether na who they die, we don't die finish. Most try to see what the way we do and for stop the war. Because you do the common talk say make the name respect go stand for Monday. You do work out, you know if you come out, even that Monday say you don't if you come out for your house. You to the children have only for your house. Before you want to come out for your house, you enter inside Amoka, enter the guide to na guide them. The worker talk. Say men they don't respect country Sunday or Monday go stand. That one now when they contribute, they contribute for the key people. They contribute for the key people. When we only talk and say more try way for see the way we peace, me peace a ring back. Me peace a ring back because we always talk them. And I talk and say people they don't cry, tear they come on na blood they come on. When the blood one dry, we know who side the Cameroon go day. You buja they work and make noise. outside you can't stand. I don't know whether you be trained, whether you be ready to be trained military, Mr. Chief Moja. I don't know whether you ready be a trained military. For the kind of behavior, I don't know whether the Cameroon government don't give authority for you. Me carry all authority. Say he get the independent military. Where you know the hear again for any person. Where they just come up for street, make video, them make noise for they go back. You know if you see any action. And after now, you want to say you go inside quarter, them picking work at the molest people there for day. Where people they get for go first, and when you know who's the people then they. When you know if you go first them for day, what can mean noise for you to know? Chimura, I beg go sit down with your house. Don't make a people they overvex. People don't die plenty.
Chief Moja na they protect Southwest. Where something of it happen so way you know come out go for the. So anyhow they but people in the university they so it ever go on a time we market it don't finish. We want to go side from Manfred for inside manual for see now work. When government for Cameroon don't work they don't send new SDO for side for manual. All picking for side for manual, they be glad as when I see even drivers union for side for manual with EKEP, all them they be there for that side. So me SDO come good, say SDO me come good because manual na place where peace a day and they know say this so as you say na picking for that side it go bring more peace for side for man now. I will picking all they be come out they come they talk say this so they day for back this SDO we don't come and the time plenty this countryman now person where they come and say oh Robinson Asho where na he be
the mayor for that side so they be glad plenty as the mayor it be blue talk for that side anyhow they we I na honor for Siam and even governor for side for Southwest Okala Bilai now he become put this countryman on top of chair military them there police every day gendarme every day even forest guard them they become say this so they get for CI for the new SDO for that side so people that be there plenty dance them they will dance for that side country dance them not Robinson Tabenchon assure that way it get for rich welcome address as well as Siam so plenty people them and they cheap them for side for manual all them they present for a grandstand then talk to this so this man the only thing we get for do am now say he get for work with the population so you see I'm not traditional ruler as that where they should do so new SDO for site for Manu the other one where we did it they don't send it for site for Fako and then people for Manu they don't glad plenty as government don't give them now this their countryman what you get for talk.
Yes, it's fine.
The show, say this, so.
Yes, it's fine. If the government do it's fine.
Yes, we know.
If you find say what you want, look the environment how we dey. Give person where you know say if you understand people then for that very place, me and the people then work together. The only thing we feel to talk and say Mr. SDO for Manu make can good, and how we been a man for son of the soil, make it work with people then very well. May understand the terrain. May no can be na kind of do where it could impose for people then say again for be so. At least share idea with the people them together. For no, at least make peace a ring for that Manu because Manu too. Be in a place where it be the hot. At least make peace ring. We don't say at least Mr. SDO only from your appearance peace don't already start the ring and I went to that with the prayer. Come on, say me come back.
Yes. So you don't see governor for Southwest Okala Bilai. Now they go talk now. Say we me we hear the past command.
Daddy in Akwaya to Sabes in Upper Banyang, from Agwoken German in a human job to Saturn Bridge here in Manfe Center. It will be recorded that the representative of the state of Cameroon, His Excellency Governor Bernard Okalia Bilai, commissioned the new senior divisional officer. Administrative authorities of Manu Division, forces of law and order, municipal magistrate, local official elected, divisional delegates, and head of public services, members of Parliament, traditional leaders, religious leaders, economic operators, leaders of the various groups,
Okay, sorry.
elite and population of Manu, wherever you are, whoever you are. Following the decree, presidential decree that has just been read to you, this is your SDO, Senior Divisional Officer. Senior Divisional Officer Awunfak Adienu Yves Bertrand. Take command.
Fermez le banc.
I think that way for monthly, we don't make them for say me when I see them. So we get for common now. We leave this one because we still get plenty in them where they don't happen for inside week. Gendarmerie national for inside country, they don't see this so over big business in the work for country and plenty of the big business them now fake business. Derek pass Wimbanga have a checkpoint. Those who they did for checkpoint, they know they understand. So Gendarmerie national they decide for buy this boss them as when I don't see understand for road, and the boss them they get camera inside. And nothing way to remind we don't ask them for Cameroon government for 2019. Say they need the kind boss them and camera them where they fly for air for no motor where they run speed and motor where don't carry thing inside. Because Parliament got them, they say they so you don't enter for bush, outside the pass. Now way Gendarmerie national they decide for come out money go buy all this motor them. So if you see this motor for your corner or for any junction, no say they so they dey for investigation. Tato Tanda now Gendarmerie national that way it dey now you don't buy motor them for a security purpose. What you going for talk?
Yes, General Moko, I hope say na fighting way Cameroon government, they don't start for the duam. They don't start to copy good example them for what way they pass. And what you I feel talk them again, I say I advise the gendarmerie them, may they use them to them well. May they use them to them well. And may they not take them to them, maybe like say they will make their private businesses. Because why I talk say private business? Why I talk because when they identify something for inside motor and a bad thing, may they make sure say may they hold the thing. May they not identify something for inside motor, then come now can't take bribe, then leave the thing, make it go. That one it not be a good work. It not be a work we don't give and say may they give the motor then now plenty money that Cameroon government it don't move and buy motor then they. May they not take them for me play them. May they not take them be private business for they do their business they for the cash thing they take bribe the whole money because what you wait there for that people that mind and say they don't get money. General Moko no lie you. What you there for that gendarmerie that hate now so. Now say they don't get money because first time they not be identify thing the way they there for inside motor but now as they could identify the thing them they could get money. Now why the way is custom? Any custom is belly they come out. Now why na bribe? Too much bribe where they bribe them. So me gendarmerie me do now work where they don't ask them for use and for do that to them.
We We come on now as Gendarmerie Nationale, it don't buy motor them for security for inside country. Accident, it don't happen for Saturday, they call them from Konsamba. And this one, na Okada versus some private car. Sote Okada can jam the private car as you see him. And then it last go Mexizo, he fall for back. As he one fall for back, he Okada too, he foot them broke. And Okada man, he foot them too, them broke. They picking them where they will go for school, then two, then get some small cut, where they take them for hospital, and then foot for Okada too, yourself a broke. This thing it make Okada people them for side from Konsamba, they be very plenty say this so now because of the checkpoint for council police them where they disturb them for chapter for import to see them they don't come up plenty and last time where they come out here the first now people them for council say if they know be this man enough for make this kind of accident. Okada a plenty inside Cameroon. And the decision talk say this so they go grant them like a pepper as some minister we don't talk. If this work is lost for Cameroon, sometime man no fit work with 50 francs for corner road again. But with the talk asha for the driver, we don't lost you two for them, but it's still alive. Thank God that chapter for accident for inside Cameroon and Parava work for Okada them. Where this Okada work, it did in a profession, now their own profession, where they work for end their living. But why did they also use talk sometimes and say they get for cancel Okada because it over make accident for inside country?
Thank you, General Moko. You see this thing where they call and say Okada. If this Okada not be there for the Cameroon, like criminality for day, if for too much. See where for day for Cameroon, if for too much. Wait till the Okada don't come do one. What do you Okada don't come do them? People then they send their picking them for school on a true Okada. People then they chop for their house on a true Okada. Okada they walk past taxi. Okada they walk past taxi and then people they stand they minimize the Okada badly. And they don't know what to Okada they do them. Taxi man no fi do them. So at the back, people they travel for underlook the bike people them the best skinny them. I beg when I gather by oneself. Although we don't say accident they too much. After they too much was one and they when people they do control for road they cause them. The people they do control for road they cause them because why sometimes General Moko I bring come one day with my friend and they go Oko roof set to be there for road they on top bike as that roof set to see with to it drag to wow that my friend take and I take for nick the nick be like say you make commit suicide. I say if you look now so that my friend there for one the year with the map see there for nick as that roof be hula more if he die so some certain thing and they way we there for road so we don't know how we control control ourselves. And we the Okada people them they cannot speed them with they run and beg. But they reduce that speed. If you run small, you also go reach for place where be the go. Too much speed not over fine. The other day for take us, you there for inside person there for inside motor them. Va. That one for waiting. You lost your life. Your life no get duplicate. When you die, you don't die. What would advise this Okada? I beg when I cool down and I beg to for people that they worry Okada them. I beg when I know about too much worry them.
Yes, and you know say this so people that when they come out they talk say this so Okada could disappear for inside country. Now the very people them time for campaign. Now them they go run now Okada them they work now they give them a tricot for the party. They work at the whole town. They make advertisement for the party. Yes. But when election don't finish, then that time now they say Okada more enter for inside bush.
Propaganda for nothing.
Yes. So now we go talk this one where you don't pass all man now only for ATM you feel see am. Now Parava hospital where Cameroon government don't move plenty money more than 20 million for take and be hospital for village where they come and say Dobia. A big house for doctor them. Now in this whenever you doctor them who can't sleep and then they go work for this hospital. Hospital it don't be now hospital where now monkey could be chief doctor because he there for inside bush. He there for inside bush. And we did social issue for say minister where they look at sick people and for inside country make a check. And they say for inside this hospital as they there for bush, whatever where they will send them for they doctor them, they also receive money and we they know they work go for work. They don't open that clinic them for side for West region and they work for inside clinic they get that money. When we end the Cameroon government is still pay people them way they be doctor for this hospital and we they know they work. Now where professor for side from Dobian, they don't say they don't tire for the clean the hospital, they decide for live and for butch. Meanwhile, some village they way it wait this kind of hospital, make government bill and for day, but government it go bill and for the other side where they go live and for bush. So look hospital where government don't come up plenty money, now in this for bush. What talk tanda with hospital where they for bush, and they work at them, they take salary and they work for that clinic. They need to pass for it.
Thank you, General Moko. Na nature for Cameroon. And a nature for Cameroon way, you know, say when pussy, you know, born arata. Pussy mo born only pussy, arata born arata. So it be terrible for the kind of we for the city kind of dirty thing with happen for Cameroon. When I say so, I check my to time if you been for northwest or if you been at southwest or war day or some people they won't run for that village or leave that abandon the hospital. But you want to say I go say I say a place where peace very day for day and then place day for the kind of style. The doctor will they be appoint for day. Who side the doctor day? Even when they appoint doctor for day, community day where they ever form some committee whether na board members them for that hospital. Who said the board member them for that hospital they? Now something a big minister, make minister jack head for up because I know say minister for public health. Now minister where I think if they want to talk to number one minister, I will talk to na he be number one minister for Cameroon. I will talk to na he be the number one minister where they work well for this Cameroon. If they say me I give galon for you. I want to talk to me Mr. Minister, me look up for up. Check plan for the hospital because they never put big investment for this kind of place. So hospital not be play with the game for the Jew with them. Hospital not play with the game for Jew with them. Then they push when I like doctor, they push when I like nurses them. When I go up and down when I own pharmacy them, abandon the hospital. I beg, may they work for up. Arrest the doctor, they with the nurses, they all lock them. May they pay for this damage where they pass through.
Okay. May we come on now, we talk palava this one. Now route where all we with Sabiam. Road for come up for side where they call them for Santa, go reach for my 1,000. 7 company. If you don't take the contract, say they go tar the route. But that is now. The route it don't be now. Doors highway. I say it don't be now. Doors railroad. For come out for side they call for Santa, go for my 1,000. If driver, you know the see fine, it will make accident. And the level for the doors, it not be easy. They say woman for Santa and woman for my 1,000, they know they buy powder again. So when man you want put powder for your face, he just come out for corner road, motor pass 2 times, and then your face a good day fine. Where if you take him, go for rendezvous. So the population for that side, they vex say this. So me, some people they know the force on one them because all we will be picking them for Cameroon. While some side it is my, meanwhile some side it is tight face. Say this road now road where they get for tar and says. Then they wait again in the season for can't show we again. Another company say now you go tar the road. Why they recommend the people them for Santa and people them for side for my 1,000? They road if you get for being a Dos Ring Road, Tanda.
I said now big disgrace, General Moko. I passed for the road now just few days ago. We cough who me, and they talk so, and they talk now for you so, and they talk fine because wait, now the road cost them. I passed for the road. Only those who I want to say and those don't interflow for inside motor. I want to say they want to be sleep. I woke up for those who call me for sleep. So it be a very big disgrace for the government where it take contract, you know they verify the people them fine for give them that contract. This contract, if we don't get, we don't finish things. We don't overthink about this contract with the road. If we don't get, we don't finish things. Now does that to keep people them. Small time then the fall for outside, you will see what will happen for that road. Mutu they will block. No mutu no pass again. When I contacted the customer. So I don't know what will be their problem for that road. What will be their problem for that road? Where they don't finish na dry season this way. Now they will get for the speed with that road. This road if you don't finish. They want to keep people make the people finish before they can fix roads. They want to make people suffer that before they can fix roads. Now which kind of behavior that? I beg make the contract to them. When I walk up for see what they want, I'll do them. Make that road finish. People they enjoy them.
Okay. So sorry, because one internal for insight the topic now. Yes. We could come on now. We go now for site for Donga and Mantum division. Now do this. Well, Cameroon government it don't give them for 3 companies. For dig road from side where they call them from Bamkikai, for site for Kumbu, pass for site for place where they call them for Tatum, pass for Kakal, pass for site for Nu, reach for site from Beye before reach for Upper Mount, Lower Mount go for site for Benka Benshua before it reach for site from Kambe, and then pass go for site for Mr. J. So they will see say so if they give for one company it will take time. So Cameroon government it decide for divide the road into 3 parts. Give one where go start from Beye.
1 or 2 or 3.
Yes. Go reach for site from Bamkikai. Bamkikai can't reach from Beye. Another company take them from Beye can reach for site for police station for Binju. Another one take am for police station for go reach with am for site for Mr. So this one na Bones. Yes, they say this so na Bones company. Where if they dig it on now for come up from there, go for site from Bamkekai. He go if on do now, place where they pack am, they can burn, they caterpillar them. Now he will burn them for site for Wimbum land, they become a pepper. Say the people will wait what happen for this company. Other people say no, fund them not because for common and pepper. Say tradition, it didn't say tradition don't die. Say when something will ever happen for inside Wimbum land, fund them to join their hand and then go for the place, go to Wimbo. Say how manage them send na pepper. That means say pepper don't turn a tradition that the caterpillar did that. Where they don't have for Kanta road because they don't say people that was inside Donga Mantum division, they don't over suffer for inside mud. As government they do his own fine work, some people in the way they reverse and vex say why road it get for past year. National road number 11. Why they get for Taram? Say people for side for Donga Mantum division, they will support for the work and inside mud. So they both tired for caterpillar. And when one of these caterpillar, if they call the money, sometimes some person will collapse because you know we don't ever see them. So now company this we don't come more people for inside suffer. When I still add now say when I want to suffer, it be normal. Now when we talk today, so me we try for check sense because they say this road in the past, development in the follow, and it they say some folks go to Wemimbo and then with the year say for Kungosa. Say they don't catch 4 people them with their hand and not clean for inside this matter. Whether not lie, whether not true, we are a social day for upside. We believe we say this so do for new subdivision when I do way it work fine work because when something they ever happen for your own side, it they ever talk for social media. But this one around, we never yet talk, we don't talk, whether they matter now how. And me no can be say this so now another company. A one for destroy another company. So that mean they take the road gear for you. We just talk na Togo. Me no can be so because it be possible. Say me can be so. So Tato Tanda. People them for Donga Mantum division they suffer because for come up Bafosam, go from Cambe, you dey pay transport na 30,000. Well, you no get kako. And if you get kako, that means na from 40,000 go up. It they say man they take na plane for go for Cote d'Ivoire. So you see now say they don't come move them for trouble. They instead born caterpillar.
I don't tell you say General Moko.
Yes.
Some people then they will do well where they will born them say may they only remain for the suffer. And then some people then they will be born them say may they not ever the suffer. Some people they don't like suffer. Some people they like suffer. I don't know see why we don't try say rote. Because root na the highest thing that's so we do for this world. Root na the highest thing. What root the pass? You say that way the sell market, you sell your market fine. You say that way the carry a corn for farm, you carry and fine. You say that the carry a plant, you carry and fine. But when they don't struggle, so when I don't cry, when it hard, what kind of thing happen for some village? This road where they tar and so now big developments now for village. Then when I go come burn the caterpillar them. Even I say the country get for separate. It go separate when I know enjoy the road. When I know going to enjoy the road, I dey beg people the way that they get some kind of negative mind them. Say they go for the work and destroy property then. May they stop them. May they stop them, leave the contractor them when they walk down the road. May they walk their road. May they walk the road. And them not all animals they pass for road. All every person they pass now for road. You when you go burn that road, no say only that ground where stand for the burn and it could hold you. General people not even matter say fund them get for common country where mean we talk to. Only that very thing, the iron way come stand for that very ground so you burn them. You will burn them. You go in for. With the talk na same some other one they less sense. When I less sense for the destroy thing we know say it help you. You just really chop where they don't plant and you can't destroy the chop. And where you go can't come don't take and you can't take and you burn and when you get for chop them. This road is not only people that come particular the pass. Not only people will come, not only people will do. All man the pass for that road. All man the pass for that road. So I beg my brothers them, my sister them, any anger we get them for inside a belly, not put that anger for different money in losses.
Yes, and if now say you get problem with any contractor, go report for you or for brigade for yes, than for come burn nothing way. You don't come for can help people them. Now we could go now for side for Oko. We could go now for side for Oko for go see what will happen. This one is the black market. Where they go for side for Oko, if we can put pepper. say this so any man will get shop, he no go enter for shop the next day, and the next day he will get for being a market day. Now he went to the man, he take a camera, a video, then he show him. After some people them, so picking them for side for Oko, they still go for back door, come see Joe, say this so this man will take this video, he did so he get band member for Joe. Now he went Joe follow the news where to the man he go show him. In the year the news na different thing. In the year thing where people them for a lap Oko they talk na different thing. In the year thing where business people they talk na different thing. Then where Joe he talk to the man, say to the man, come in with blue top. Time where to the man not enter for inside the office with the camera. And then he show Joe say this so now where to this way we talk because it didn't say for village na different thing. So the thing everyone cause some conflict, but last Joe it last understand say this so they don't mislead ye. Tanda use yourself na I for ATM now you be for a lack Oko and then you do your work and you will do your and only your work you don't be do them for some person. This matter.
Thank you, General Moko. Thank you, General Moko. Well, give me the story. No say we never do one for daytime or the shine.
No for night.
We don't do them on night. And when we do one for daytime or the shine, it means say they do na fine work. You know, they do na bad work. You know, they condemn no person. Now, when a man pay for this place, for this ground, where get on duty, where they do them. Do you get on where they work, where they put it for the same work? Me, like Ellie for Oko, like I for LTM, me, I get my own work, or I get for work. And I don't ever talk bad about Drew for Oko. Now, he right. Person no come out, use young boys too for the work at chapie, the work money, then now for here for the work and make cha. Oh, now we talk that thing for Drew. We don't already know them all. Yes. We don't already know Una. And we don't already come out for outside. So it's not fine. No change. When you don't do fine thing, we will talk say you don't do fine thing. Even do bad thing, we will tell you say don't do bad thing. No, to don't do for the ground where they hide them. Do for Oko now, the authority for Oko. Where you get all the power. You can't tell me say, talk here, I don't want to talk for Joe say, Joe the upper market they give it to do. Now you walk where you get for do them. You get the powers, but you want to do them, you don't even give fear for any person. Because no be them to the rule Oko. As Joe now you want. So I talk for my country people and say, no way, let we know say crisis they way the worry we all. But we will not hide behind crisis for the kill your brother them. Don't hide behind crisis to do certain things and they will not find. We don't want to go back home. All we do back home. I beg. Now we get from meet peace the ring for inside we. We not to go burn a fire. You will don't go if they carry me to go lock and lock and for do. That means say that trouble no. That trouble they continue no. That means you don't already take kerosene again. You throw them inside fire no. I think go some certain thing and then more the trouble see how we handle them for some kind of peaceful way. Make it die down. No, no, the overlight fire for something. We know there. Escape that market. They say they be looking overnight. They look over daytime. How much the same no? We don't already been about underwear now so. Where anything they want pass, some people already send on social media. But because person we get hard to do good thing, we don't can do it openly. You know, me say me you go to internet, it may say it do so. Now the market that so escape with it. We know they hide them General Moko. You not find me people they behave for that kind of way so. You not fine.
Okay. Now we go leave Palava market for a lack Oko because Joe it don't last understand. Say this so some people then they for bring trouble. We go never side for Dumbo. This one na cattle ranch for Dumbo, place where they lay agri cow. And for inside here, for inside cattle ranch, we get school, we get work at them. And for come over here with woman where they will believe for come with time for side for Dumbo hospital make come born now matter because condition for road you know they fine. And work at them for cattle ranch they suffer. And they don't cry for to and say they so even now whatever they pass, sometimes they don't die or they don't get sick. For go to that side for cattle ranch, even now say you want drink water, you must go look 3 kilometers. Forget whatever you go drink. That means a cow used to say they go 3 kilometers. And then they go 3 kilometers. And then picking them when they go to school, then they walk at 3 kilometers before they go drink water even fowl dey waka for 3 kilometer. Na way people dey say dey so we no really work for inside government company, and then they dey suffer we for sika water. Na government school that wey dey show say dey so government school e dey only for corner, and water dey very far. Water dey like from van, and where cattle ranch for play for cow e dey like for Santa Barbara. Me will not understand the distance where man they come out for go drink water. Now we work and say there's some big man for cattle ranch. He try way for draw the water, bring them for inside company so that me people they suffer. Now do this. I say now do that where they go for play for water and they go pass for enter for inside a cattle ranch. Yes, and even said they talk say so any private company they if they sleep on top some land, that means say chief or fund for that side he get for the benefits something for day. And then this cattle ranch is then for Dumbo Ilan, and when fall for Dumbo, it will get for the benefit for cattle ranch. It shows say no $1, they know they bring up for palace, and then they want to make palace clean. Now how? Now do this, and you go see sideway. The road where you see as so. Now so walk and waka for go reach for play way 1 tap a day, 1 tap a day. Now in that, you see how you see this time now. See this time where man they cover am. If you don't get Okada, say you want to walk on the phone, you don't know whether it is so snake or come out inside, buy you. Now you way tap day, you go see them. Because LTM they talk, it's show them the way. See how cattle around day. See how people then she don't. But see how water day, you see them? You see them? They want they drop na time we like them. How a whole company like cattle ranch for Dumbo, with all the workers, with all the students, with all the cow, they could go 3 kilometers for drink water. And that.
Yes, General Moko, if the cattle line not already for me, they close at one time. Because no between this cattle line, no between where they be created and today we will cry about the water this time for water now. So
it don't be for long.
That thing where it don't be for long. I should say the one burn me with the cattle line, but already there.
And money where this
money only money where they won't put up with the company. People they only take money put up only for go take water. I believe if you say General Moko, I believe if you say pump no day, say they go carry for stream for running stream where they go down. So I don't say pump day. Only hard waiting for you the director for the cattle line for go dig pipe then bring them inside that place. No. You cow they do a small cow. A small cow that means they carry water and carry and can put them small cow they drink them when they born. So it be very big disgrace for the director. Director not only should not the way say government will come or do so. So when you get budget when you run for that cattle line they give for you every year. Or they give for every year. Pipe now how much? Even now, how many kilometers? You know, buy them for bring water for inside play school picking the way they do for they go benefit. Cow and two they do for they go benefit. Farm the way they benefit. So we know they overtalk the whole farmers. Now mismanagement. One person don't mismanage a place. A time for talk say you don't mismanage a place because you only look say government get for give and so me put our back. Government get for give and so me put our back. More we struggle to see how more we develop before government they come for back.
So we depend for big man for cattle rights for Dumbo. Me try for make something because water na life and the water you know they help only the workers. They help to cow where they just come out for born. So we back the big man plenty and we know say they follow we for side for Dumbo now. Me they try with say me big man he try for make a solve problem for worker because when worker you know they feel fine work enough you go before no be say we talk bad but we give advice for the big man for cattle ranch. We come on now we go now for side for Mr. J subdivision for C how the population for side for Mr. J they suffer. Mr. J people that they suffer because of dust. And now when they dig that road again for come out for police station for Benjo for calm down for Mr. J it don't make a now you know the worker. This one now Janamiri National Motorat. Yes, now Janamiri National Motorat for site from Mr. J. Where the commandant, yes, commandant for site for Mr. J. Commandant the brigade for Mr. J. Away, he do fine work. He don't do all and all for bring peace for site for Mr. J. Anyway, all man for site for Mr. J. They glad for this saving. Yes, that means commandant the brigade for site for Mr. J. He don't do fine work. Anyway, Okada people too they talk to this so to man we on trouble now. Palava petrol they not get petrol station for site for Dumbo and the petrol where they use them now petrol where they come up for site for Nigeria and it is spoil engine. That one a road where the intermarket go past and then cross that river go for site from Kanchi for go for site for Lansing village and for go for site for Bim. So all them they say this so passenger no day for carry and go for site for Dumbo and for go for a chako or passenger, you know, they for go for side from Kambe. So all them they come back for morning time, and then after they come out again, go back for house. We man never carry passenger. Now on the market day for side from Kambe or for Dombo or for side for Lasin, where they say the video. This one now system bong. Yes, system bong. Where it is say wine mimbo and say again pepper soup. Now for the way all man it can chop and then drink mimbo time way does it don't overdo you. So you see say this little petrol station in not be get for B for side for message and the road. It is some kind way. They glad plenty say commandant for that side don't bring them peace. Wait to get for talk for this palaver.
Yes, General Moko, here with you talk. Because people from Message, they cry, say they only use petrol where they come on for Nigeria, and where the petrol they kill their engine them.
Yes.
And they cry, say they beg, say me they put petrol station for Message so that they get a good petrol.
Yes.
Yes, every no pass petrol station not gonna be. The first thing we get them now say we make peace, make route pass, make petrol station, make it be so that we get a good petrol. So what will they do? Although Duo the only try for whether than the commandant or people that message they only cry their cry. One day, as road they pass, one day they go answer they'll answer their cry. General Moko on small thing the way I want to talk concerning that market, so I be forget for ready for mention it will be because the Duo for Oku when I be discussed with Duo for Oku will be somebody where it get conscious where they worry you when they walk with good heart with people them for Oku when they be lock marking only for call attention. That's why baby now only for call attention with traders and say me they can't look in. Me they can't hear what you wait for talk because immediately as if we lock that market the next day they will open the market and people business beside the boom for inside market. We know we didn't know say some certain kind of thing be even happen. So now some certain thing because do talk with me so I see how we get papa feeling for the people them. Papa feeling for the people them for the way to it pass before it lock market. But more know the talk thing them behind we know they exist. Because if Joe Oku begin for take the authority how we do they as I see some Joe they do have some place, master. They all when I try that for Oku when I for cry and I cry. When I for just cry, I beg more leave back talk. The talk thing will be correct.
Okay. So now we get for internal for Palava. Birthday, that means they call and say Bonhas. Yes, Bonhas for Chopche. Bonhas for Chopche.
Chopche.
Yes.
Bonhas for Chopche.
We will see him.
Okay, for General Moko.
Now see it happen. And this one now for site for the walla for place where they call and say for New Bell and for that side for Commissariat Deuxième. Now so it be passed because time where they be born picking trouble too it be there for upside plenty. Now way. Today man, it is said so me family for side for your own woman. Me they come for say me we celebrate together. We see them. So now the population for side for Saint Village, now village where they under no subdivision, and then they become meet up with people and where they come up for side for Chop Village under Kambe Center. So all them they be join and then talk say this so me they can't talk come good for picking where they come and say. Tamfo Adrien, yes, Tamfo Adrien Nzi. Yes, we the people it don't make 1 year. So now so the occasion it be happen. Although Tanto Tanda we na you be the title holder for Oko Palace, it not be there because if the occasion be passed now for inside Yaoundé, you self you for day, Lambert Kiven for day, and then the other one them Hillary them all them for day. So even Sewe for day, but since I happen for Douala, when I not be get a chance for reach for that side. So now so it will happen. Yes.
Yes, thank you, General Moko. I say a very good thing. I confess they wish happy birthday, although birthday not the finish. I confess they wish happy birthday for Peking way. They will make a birthday that day. And the race I'm see that kaku they enter with and soon I say the mommy and the power for the Peking don't go open a shop for sell kaku on a wati. Because I say all man for video don't come out who kaku any man get pot for hand, any man get pan for hand, and any man they smile, and any man they give them with the heart. So I really say a very good example. That's where we feed the copy. A very good example that our family they show them. It shows the love with the family where they get the picking, they like people them, and people them too they like the family. So with the prayer God say, may God is unite to or other family they not like themselves, so that when they like themselves, may the kind of thing they happen, may the kind of happiness they happen. When they only go na for sad issue them. So it be a very fine example of General Moko for what you are done see for the
yes. So we return to Paul Lawrence, where it is should on side for Bonaberi and my blessing where he says this thing if you want to happen, if you there for sick bed for side for garnison, it never succeed for calm. So with the time all man way become for this ngando will be happen for side for the wall say now only before. When two family them they there for good terms, anything in the worker. So tanto tanda now will you talk me you talk your last talk before we come out.
Thank you, General Moko, as you don't give me my talk for me for talk my last talk. Yes, as you don't talk up.
No, the last talk for your life. Yeah, last talk for the program.
For the program. Yeah, I'm going to take this time for the give some special salutes for my Mami Miriam Kofam. We are not saying no, they already feel fine.
Yes.
Yeah, see there for house for Oja. And really take this time for salute my family where they from Bam. Salute my family we there for Jotin Palace, Fonte Palace for Jotin. We fund for Fonte Palace because we and they be there the other day for cry die for day. And salute my big power for big compound Joshua Motel. Then I salute my brothers Emmanuel Njangi we there from Bam. And I salute the from Kisito. And I salute all family for Lumbe's family. Lumbe's family we listen for me now, so talk say more whole family me to go before. Some other small advice before I go General Moko. I don't want to give for my Oko people them now say I don't see how waiting they pass for social media very well. People they talk left and right. We forget election for Ogda, that's national election for Bafusam for March.
Yes.
But I don't see how they also they talk left and right about presidentship. All way to everyone for talk now say we need a good leader way if he lead we fine, where if he bring development for Oko. No Oko people they should done for them very well. May they not overhear it, may they not over too talk. When he talks to you, to confuse your mind. May they should don't come, reflect very well, put a good leader way. Don't say that leader and a leader way it could develop Oko.
Yes.
Will not be leader way it could bring corruption for inside Oko. When you hear talk that they overpass, I beg more cool down with mind them. Something not the way it will spoil. All things will be fine.
Yes.
At the salon, Madame Maureen for Biamasi.
Yes, Madame Maureen for Biamasi. We you know they miss the program and we salute all the customer where they did now. Those who they chop for
they drink for that banana.
So we greet them plenty, and with the salute to Ma Evelyn. Ma Evelyn for Biamasi too. We're a fan for this program. With the salute to another woman too. We Madame Kimbi Glory. Yes, you know, Madam Kimbi Glory, they too for that side for Acacia, for side for Biamasi. Yes. So with the time to you because you know they missed the program with the salute to Mr. Ako. Yes, Mr. Ako, we there for side for Obili. He know they ever missed the program. We salute to Chief Doctor. Yes, we salute Chief Doctor for Dumbu. We yes, Chief Doctor for Hospital for Dumbu.
Dr. Mechas Elvis.
Yes, Dr. Charles.
Mechas Elvis.
Okay, Mechas Elvis. Yes. We watch the program for side for Dumbu. We did salute to Dr. Maji Tanko and the family. We did it for that side for St. Contest. Dr. Maji Tanko, he says he don't see how the school for the own village, he don't last go up now because of the Turiman. And then we did salute to Shea Louis, we did for inside Yaoundé, we na picking for Tabiken. Shea Roger, we na picking for side from Bot. He watch the program for side for 11. We salute to Ya for Oko. Ya for we there for office now. Ya for Oko. He watch the program. You know the miss some too. And the fun. His Royal Highness to the fun for Chup Village. He did now for the office too. He watch the program. Dr. Moses and Dr. Njitu. All them they for side for the Walla. They hip eye on top. We salute to Malam Saido. He did for side for the Yepoto with all man we should for us now. They watch the program. We salute when plenty. We greet all man we follow the program for side for New Bell for side where they call them for Tamperos. We not to forget Shea New Bell and all the people that they don't now for Shea New Bell on house for watch the program. We salute Mr. Nko. We you know they miss the program. We greet all man for Marché Central, Marché Congo. We salute all man for side for Doge. We salute to those for Karabasi. We not forget Mami Miriam with a fan club for that side for Karabasi. We did watch the program. We salute to Ma Lizette. He did for Omispor. He did follow all things. So we thank any person. Me when I know say this song, we did now for Friday. And when you want video something for send them for we, may you hold your Android phone at this size. When you video them, you send them for we. For those number we when I don't get them. We salute to the fan club. We did for side for Japoma. We now some teacher. He did control. He did the president. Anyhow we did. We thank when I plenty for anything we when I do them for we. the only thing where I want to say me when I do I'm tron. Now for go for we Facebook page. The Facebook page now General Moko Njangi House. Go for there and then try we for contribute for anything information with pass inside and then send copy the link and then send them for your friend them because it will help them some place. And then for we YouTube channel on name now Njangi House. Yes, Njangi House for YouTube, and then you could follow. We try way for subscribe so that me be member for inside the YouTube channel. Anyhow we do, we turn down this way. Now he says if the match button. Meanwhile, me for front camera and for back microphone, they call me General Moko, the only general for Cameroon, where the work of broom for sweep or dirty for Cameroon, send them inside water so that me Cameroon no smell, and then so that me Cameroon it shine as a stranger could come a glad as they place them they clean. Anyhow we dey na God e be give am and na so God e be take am. Me we no dey fight for be president because for be president no be na some work. Plenty people then they fight for being a president for country, no be na president for inside meeting house. If you know say this so you no go succeed for carry development for that village, no ever stand for president. Plenty they run the post because they be tight. You know if they work some work where you work every day for can be president or for can be something for inside some meeting and wait time way they go one go for executive meeting you know go dey that means say you instead bring the group now for back better say me will learn for resign for some posts so that me development it go before so with the time all man we it don't follow we say happy weekend we commit up for Monday if God will accept but God could accept because I been a messenger bye we don't go.